Hi, my name is Colin. I'm going to tell you about some of the new features we just released for Dropboard. Let's open the settings for Dropboard. This one's really crucial for those of you who have dark themed websites. Let's go to the Design tab and let's set a background color that's pretty dark. Okay, so we can't even see the text at all. This new feature, text color, is going to let you do just that. So let's make it a really bright color. And there we go. And let's make that action color a little bit more applicable to this design. Let's make it a really nice, bright yellow. To make this a little more real life, let's change this color background to match that. There we go. And then let's preview what we got. There we go. As you can see, that looks much, much better. When you hit show more details, the button looks really, really nice. And then let's click on apply today to see what that panel looks like. And the yellow does not look so good here on the white background. It's really only good for the dark background there. So let's go back and let's edit this back into our settings here. And we can change the action color for the apply panel to be something unique. So let's do a red for that one. Then we'll preview these changes and hit the apply button. There we go. We have a really nice color for the apply panel. For this next one, we're going to open up settings and go to manage jobs. Whenever you're creating a job, we notice that a lot of people are using the same hiring manager in the same location for a lot of their jobs. We made this a lot easier. All you have to do is click in the hiring manager text box and you'll get an autocomplete dropdown of all the values you've used before. Same thing for location. So we hope this saves you a lot of time in typing and also helps you keep all your jobs up to date very easily. Finally, we wanted to let you know that we're working on a pro version of Dropboard. We've been getting lots of great feedback from you guys, and we've started development on some extra special features that we're going to pull into a pro plan. Incidentally, if you have some ideas for us, please reach out at hello@colinmakesoftware.com, and I promise we'll respond personally. And in just a sec, I'll tell you how you might be able to get some of these pro features for free. So the first pro features that we built are searching and location filtering. In the pro tab, if you have this feature enabled, you'll see job search and location filtering checkbox. Let's turn that on. And now a search bar appears and a location filter appears that your candidates can use. So let's see this in action. So the location filter is only going to show if you have jobs at more than one location. And if you do, candidates will be able to pick the location closest to them and see the jobs that are available. Also, there's an instant search here. As they type, there'll be an autocomplete that lists all of your jobs with a really easy way to just quickly select them. And you can also type and search inside the job descriptions. And with one easy click, they can clear these filters and go back to the full list. Okay, that's it. Would you like to get this feature for free, the searching and filtering of jobs? Here are the requirements. First of all, this offer is only good for purchasers of Dropboard. So if you're still in your trial, go ahead and upgrade. And then 2, either comment on this video or send an email to hello@colinmakesoftware.com with the link to your website where Dropboard is installed so that we can find your account. And then bonus points if you leave a review for Dropboard on Wix. Check out the video's description for an easy link for that. And then finally, this offer is only good for the first handful of people, so be quick. Thank you so much, and I hope you're loving Dropboard.